Good evening, students. Today we will learn exponents for class 7 icse cbse. Carefully watch this session from chapter 4. Write the exponent form of this -8 upon 125. So we have to factorize 8 and we get 2, 2 and 2. So for this 3 2, 1 2 comes out from the root, means 2 into 2 into 2, 8 means root over this. For these 3, 1 2 comes out, that's why it is 2 cube. Similarly, for 125, the cube root of 125 is 5, means we can say 5 cube is equal to 125. So we can write -8 upon 125 means -2 upon 5 to the power 3. Same way, minus 32 upon 243. So minus 32, factorize this 32, we get 5 2, means we can write this is 2 to the power 5, and 243 means 3 to the power 5. So we can write it -2 upon 3 to the power 5. Next one, this math is based upon a rule. What is this rule? -2 into 10 to the power 3 to the power 2. This 2 is applicable for both this -2 and 10 to the power 3. So we can write -2 to the power 2 and 10 to the power 3 to the power 2. So -2 square means 4, and 10 cube to the power 2 power multiply hoy. So that's why we can write 10 to the power 6. So 4 into this one, and we get this answer. Here are some more math based upon some rule on exponents. When bases are equal, the powers are added during multiplication. So we can write x to the power 2 plus 3 is equal to x to the power 5. The next rule, during division, if bases are equal, means here both are x, powers are subtracted, that means 5 minus 3, so we get x to the power 2. Here is some more math, you can easily watch it. Next math, 1 by 2 into 5 square means 1 by 2 square into 5 square, and we get -1 by 2 square means plus 1 by 4, 5 square means 25, and we get 25 upon 4. Next one, 21 upon 19 to the power 4. So we have to write this 4 is applicable for both numerator and denominator, that's why we write 21 to the power 4 by 19 to the power 4 and 19 to the power 4 by 7 to the power 4. So these 19 to the power 4 and 19 to the power 4 are cancelled out. So here 21 and here is 7. So we know that 21 is a multiple of 7, that's why we break this 21 into 7 into 3. So 7 into 3 to the power 4. So bracket to the power 4. That means this 4 is applicable for both 7 and 3. That's why we write 7 to the power 4 into 3 to the power 4 by 7 to the power 4. This 7 to the power 4, 7 to the power 4 cancel out, and we left behind 3 to the power 4. So 3 to the power 4 means multiply 3 4 times, and we get 81. This is my answer. Here is one more math. 7 3 minus 4 by 5 to the power 9 divided by minus of 4 by 5 to the power 10. So here we clearly see that both the bases are equal, and during division we have to subtracted the power. That's why we write 9 minus 10 and we get minus of 1. Minus of 1 means reciprocate this one. So we get minus 5 upon 4, and for this reciprocate, for this reciprocal, we have to write this minus 1 into plus 1, and we get minus 5 upon 4. Clear? Next, কোনো কিছুর পাওয়ার যদি 0 হয় তার ভ্যালু সবসময় 1 হয়। That's why 153 to the power 0 means also 1, and x to the power 0 means also 1. Now chapter 4c, question number 15. 5 to the power minus 3. Here this minus 3 indicates you that you have to change the base into its reciprocal form. So we get 1 by 5 cube, and 1 by 5 cube means 1 by 125. Minus 1 upon 2 to the power minus 1, that means minus 2 by 1 to the power plus 1, and we know that anything which have power 1 return its original value, that means minus 2 upon 1. Same way this math and this math. Here is another math, question number 3-2. Minus 1 by 3 square, তার square 3, again minus 1 by 3 4, তার square 5. That means we have to multiply the powers. Remember that powers are always multiplied. That's why we write 2 into 3 6 and 4 into 5 20, and we clearly see that these bases are equal. So during multiplication powers are added, so we write minus 1 by 3 to the power 26. Here is also one math. 3 to the power 7 into 1 by the 3 to the power 7. 3 to the power 7 and 3 to the power 7 are cancelled out, and answer is 1. Here is another math. 3 to the power 7 into 3 to the power 4 by 3 to the power 4. So these are the like terms, and for division we have to subtracted the powers. That means 3 to the power 7 minus 4, and we get this one, and this is my answer. Now question number 8-2. This is your question, and for this minus sign we have to reciprocate the base. That's why 7 by 9 becomes 9 by 7, and 9 by 14 becomes 14 upon 9. So break this bracket, and we get 9 by to the power 11 upon 7 to the power 11, and here this one. Why we write this 14 into 2 into 7? In earlier math I told you that break this 14 into two parts, because 14 is multiple of 7, because we have to cancel out this 9 with this 9. But what we have to do for this 14? break this 14 into two parts and we get this one. So 9 to the power 11 by 9 to the power 9, so these are subtracted, that's why we write 11 minus 9, and here 7 to the power 11 minus 9, because this 7 and this 7 are in division form, and left behind this 2 to the power 9. Here you can see another process for this. So we find 9 to the power 2 upon 7 to the power 2 into 2 to the power 9. So 9 square means 81, 7 square means 49, and 2 to the power 9 means 512. Now check if these and this one are cancel out or not. If cancel out, then you have to cancelling, or if it is not, then just multiply it 81 and 512 and you get 41472 upon 49. Next 81, same type of math. See it very carefully. And solve it. Pause it or take screenshot and write down in your copy. Here is another math. So we have to work upon the bracket first. Minus 1 by 3 to the power minus 3. This minus 3 indicates that this 1 upon 3 become 3 upon 1 for reciprocal, and 1 upon 2 to the power minus 3 becomes 2 by 1 to the power 3, and here 1 upon 4 becomes 4 upon 1 to the power 3. So 3 cube means 27, 3 cube means 3 cube, 3 by 1 to the power cube means 3 cube by 1 cube. So 3 cube means 27, 1 cube means 1. So no need to write 1 in denominator part. This is very childish. And minus 2 cube means 8, 4 cube means 64. So we get 97 upon 64 for my answer. Another one. Learn it properly, then you have to join my online classes. So here is also we get this one, and from there minus 1 by 3 cube means minus 1 by 27. This is the most important part. Why we write minus 1 by 3 cube is equal to minus 1 by 27. If there is 1 by minus 1 upon 3 square, then the answer is 1 upon plus 1 upon 9. Why this is happen? This is happen because of some rules. Then minus 1 by 9 and 27 and 9, LCM of 27 and 9 is 27, and by following or applying the rule we get this minus 4 upon 27 as my answer.